Hi, today I was getting bored, so I thought of reading some old books. I searched my cupboards and found these magazines. These are basically cookery magazines from 1996. I was searching for some recipe or some new dish that I could try out. Then I stumbled upon few tips. I found them interesting and thought of sharing with you. So let me read these out for you. It says, place a small bag of bishop's weed or ajwain in your wardrobe to prevent those expensive saris from turning black. Don't throw away used tea leaves or eggshells. They make a good manure for rose plants. A badly burnt aluminium pan can be cleaned by boiling an onion in it. The burnt matter will rise to the top and leave the pan clean. Hard-boiled eggs plunged in cold water as soon as they have been boiled won't become discolored around the yolks. Apply powdered salt on burns for quick healing. While making ghee from homemade butter, a lot of gas is wasted. To avoid this, first melt the butter, add drinking water and keep the container in the fridge. The next day, the ghee will float on top of the water as a solid layer since oil and water do not mix. Carefully separate it with a spoon. Add a cup of soya bean flour to 5 cups of wheat flour and mix it with curd and water to bind the chapati dough. Keep it aside for half an hour and roll the chapatis. They'll be highly nutritious and soft as well. Prick an egg with a clean pin before putting it in boiling water to prevent it from cracking. When washing lettuce, a few drops of lemon juice added to water not only wash out the dirt and slugs but will also make the leaves crisp. Don't use salt. It makes the lettuce limp. While keeping eggs in the refrigerator, make sure the pointed part of the egg is placed downwards. This will not only keep the eggs fresh for a longer time but will also maintain the spherical shape of the yolk. This is interesting. I love this tip. So this is it for now. I'll continue reading, and if I find few more, I'll share with you.